Yo guys, what is up? What's going on? So for today's quick video, I'm going to show you how I clean my exhaust tips. As you can see, they are super dirty right now. These are the Subi Depot 4-inch muffler deletes. I haven't made a video about these actually yet, but I did change from the nameless deletes. I had the 3-inch ones, and I bought the Subi Depot 4-inch ones. They're so much bigger, as you can see, and they're looking quite dirty right now. So pretty simple. I've got this cone right here. You pick this up at any of your detailing stores, or like Canadian Tire carries it. It's by I think Mother's or Meguiar's. And then I use the Mother's aluminum polish. And then this stuff here is called Zep Fast 505. It's actually like a kitchen cleaner or like degreaser. Very, very powerful stuff. You pick this up at Home Depot for less than $5. And the way I like to clean my exhaust is I'll spray this on first, and I'll use the cone on, obviously I've got my DeWalt drill. Then all I do is, I'd probably go and clean this and wipe it, but what I do is, I'm lazy, is I'll just get a bit of the Mother's polish on there, put it on like that, and give it a good polish. Pretty simple. That's how easy it is to clean your exhaust. That's exactly what I do. I do that pretty often anytime I wash the car. Right now it's actually looking pretty dirty, but that's how I keep the exhaust tips looking nice and clean. I'll finish up with a microfiber just by giving them a quick hand cleaning. I'll wipe away any of the residue. And then I'll take a bit more of the Mother's polish, and I'll go around the outside as well with the same microfiber, just to clean that spot as well. And there we go, it's looking good as new, nice and shiny. That literally took 2 minutes and $9 for the polish. The cone is $30, it's a bit expensive, and then you can just use your regular DeWalt drill or whatever impact gun or drill that you have. And then this Zep is less than $5 at Home Depot. I'll have all the links in the description to Amazon down below if you guys are interested in checking it out. Hope this video helped you guys. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to drop a comment down below. And thanks so much for watching.